Hello and welcome to the Boney Life, where we make the kitchen and gardening quick and simple while we add a little dash of life into the mix. I'm Boney, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a quick and easy recipe on how to make blueberry muffins. So anyway, a quick backstory on this recipe. About 5 years ago, my wife and I, we drove up to Manhattan, Kansas. We were on our way up to pick up our first dog ever, Judge. Judge is a wire-hair pouring Griffon, big furry beard. He's on the plus side of 80 pounds, large for the breed, but he's really chill and really special to us. The night before we picked him up, we stayed at the bed and breakfast, woke up, had an awesome breakfast, and on my way out, I picked up a cookbook. It's called A Taste of Morning, and it's by Lori Piper, and it has a ton of great recipes. I couldn't find a link online to the cookbook, but I'll make sure to put a link down below of the bed and breakfast website. And maybe if you want it, you can get in touch with the owner and they can ship you a copy. But anyway, let's get into what you're gonna need for this recipe. Quick and easy, blueberry muffins. Now for your shopping list, the items that you're gonna need to have on hand are 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated white sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 cup of low-fat buttermilk, 1 stick of unsalted butter, you're gonna melt that down, 2 large eggs, and then 2 cups of blueberries. If you wanna get crazy, you can have 1 cup of blueberry and 1 cup of raspberry, mix them together, and then you have a mixed berry muffin. Boosh. Now preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Take your large mixing bowl and whisk together the dry ingredients, this being your flour, your sugar, and your baking powder. Make sure you mix them really well and set the bowl to the side. Take a smaller bowl and whisk together your wet ingredients, your eggs, your melted butter, and your buttermilk. After those are mixed really well, you'll take that large bowl again with your dry ingredients and pour the wet ingredients into there. Mix them with a spoon really well and add the blueberries to the batter. Now you're ready to take your ramekin or your muffin pan and fill them up 2/3 of the way with batter. If you're using the ramekin, make sure to place them on a cookie sheet because if you overfill them, the batter will fall onto the cookie sheet and not into your stove. After about 15 to 20 minutes, they should be ready. If for any reason it's over 20 minutes, just lower the temperature from 400 degrees to 350 degrees until they're firm to the touch. After that, remove the muffins and let them cool for a little bit. Add a little bit of powdered sugar if you like, and then enjoy. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, make sure to leave a like. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, and let me know what kind of content you'd like to see in the future. I'll put links down below on all the social medias that you can follow me on. And until next time, I'm Boney with the Boney Life. Plan to make something and make it well.